Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How have you been? Hope you to be hale and hearty. Don't go outside from your residence without approval of your parents. When you touch anything, you must use hand sanitizer and liquid soap. Whatever, around us, we notice a lot of people are suffering from different kinds of disease. They need help. We can help them by giving by giving them money in various ways. Do you imagine which lesson will be taught today? Yes, you are correct. Unit 2, Lesson 3, Class 7, English Past Paper. This is Muhammad Shah Alam. I have been serving as an assistant teacher at PTGD Government High School, Shorepur. I think you have opened up Unit 2, Lesson 3. Now you are requested to read the passage with rapt attention for 5 minutes. Find out new words or unknown words, difficult words. Notice I have found out some words. Look at them. Sorry. Sorry means sadness. Everybody utter with me. Sorry. Sorry means sadness or grief. I am sorry. Next sentence. I am sorry. Sick. Everybody utter with me. Sick. Sick means weakness. Now you will have to make a sentence with this word sick. He is sick today. Our next word is chief. Chief means main. He is the chief executive of the office. Expensive. That means not costly. This book is expensive. Added. Everybody utter with me. Added. Added. Past form of add. That means putting together. Sum up. He added that he was unwell. Opposite. That means contrary. Suppose white. Its opposite word is black. Write the opposite meaning of the following sentence. Waited. Everybody utter with me. Waited. Waited means stayed for. He waited for me. I made sentence. Now we'll have to make sentence. Nurse. What is the meaning of nurse? Everybody utter. Nurse. A person who takes care of the sick people. A nurse takes after the patient. Carry. Everybody utter with me. Carry. Carry means yeah. Please carry out my order. Carefully. Cautiously. Now we'll have to make sentence carefully. Read the passage carefully. Crossed. Crossed means passed over. He crossed the river by boat. Feather. Feather means plum of a bird. Notice. Plum. The baby was so light as feather of a bird. Now you should read the passage. You will be able to understand the passage fully and solve the problem in your answer script, in your khata. 5 minutes are given. Okay. Now you will have to check your answer. Come up here. Everybody is asked to access your khata and correct if anyone commits mistake, correct yourself. A. Nurse. B. Sorry. C. Not far. D. The baby. E. Weekly. I think you have checked your answers. Now, group work. Form a group with 6 guys. Consulting with one another, you will solve the problem. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Choose a word from the box and put it in the blank. You have learned the meaning of the words, so it will be easier for you to solve the problem. Every group team leader will write the answer consulting with your partner. Unwell, to aid, close to, an intimate, acquaintance, costly, physician, indeed, actually, stout, robust, cautiously. You will have to put this word in the blank. Which one is correct? Notice the fill in the blanks carefully. 10 minutes are given to solve the problem. Go ahead rapidly. Time is going up. Expensive, carefully, strong, really, in fact, doctor, friend, near, help, seek. Those who have finished your writing, please come up with your khata. Okay, go back to your seat again. Now interchange the khata from one group to another group. Now answer is given. Check your answer. Either they are correct or incorrect. Seek. The accurate answer will be unwell. Help, to aid. Near, close. Friend, an intimate acquaintance. Expensive, costly. Doctor, physician. Actually, we address them physician. Doctor who performs PhD, he is doctor. And physician who treats the patient. Generally, to do PhD is difficult than doing MBBS. However, in fact means indeed, really, actually. Sorry, it will not be sorry, here will be strong. Strong means stout or robust. Strong. This word will be strong. Strong means stout and robust. I think you have checked your answer. Okay. Now stop. Our next portion is read the passage in A again. Now write the main ideas of the passage in 5 sentences. Only 10 minutes are given. Think yourself. Now It is personal work. It is personal work, no group work. Okay, I think we have written. Example is given for you. How to write summarizing. Notice this passage is written about sick mother and her ailing baby. We should come forward to helping the helpless people. The poor are born to suffer. We have social responsibilities to reduce their sufferings. It is our sacred duty. You can write summarizing thus. I think you will be benefited. Okay, my dear students, our class is over. If you have any question, you can inform me. The class is ended. Time is up. Stop.